Well, hello there. My name is Loren Riddle, for those of you that don't know me, and I am not to be confused with either of these jokesters, but I'm looking currently at entering human resources after graduating. So, as we can see, there are a lot of duties that could possibly come uh, because of this. Amongst these things are, well, managing and maintaining background check systems, to research, analyze, and to synthesize data, information, and issues to communicate and report these findings to the Director of Human Resources, to prepare and maintain employment records related to various events like hiring, separations, and so forth and so on, to prepare and execute large-scale employee recognition events, to prepare and present information to small or large groups and assist with employee training and cross-training duties between human resource specialists. So what sorts of education bits does this require? Well, for something like this, they prefer a bachelor's degree in something like business, human resource management, or something related. Now, I'm not going into business or human resource management, but I'm going into industrial organizational psychology. So this fits. And, well, this fits into my 4-year plan because it is the next step, as I said, after getting my bachelor's next year. So this is me. So why am I studying psychology? Well, for one, I do have a passion for helping others. It's always just kind of been my thing. I have a fascination with how the human brain works. As I'm reading through a bunch of the textbooks here, I'm just realizing, man, that's interesting. It is a good thing to study in preparation for grad school, of course, because that's where I plan on going. And as an empath, I like to try and figure a few things out, dealing with me and others as well. So how do my reasons align with the text? So here, the closest things that I could find that align with me are how they say that I want to be a professional social worker. I don't necessarily, but I do want to help others. But I do want to become an industrial or organizational psychologist. That is true. At the same time, I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. I happen to think that psychology as well is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a job. And, well, I do want to figure myself out. So thank you for listening, and even though the images that I used are considered fair use, I do have my references here just to make sure. Thank you very much.